Okay, this is our Oklahoma cabin. We've been working on it for about 4 years, and we probably have another 4 years to go. I'll show you around. Oops, well, there's the scary doll. Sorry, this was a family joke. That's a scary doll. This is the kitchen area. This is where we're gonna have cabinets. Well, we'll have cabinets here and right there. So this is probably 9 foot tall up to the top of the logs. We went with a metal roof probably because it's the cheapest. Bobby could put it on, and it covers a lot of area at one time. From the outside porch, you walk in here. This is the utility room. Right now we just have shelves and carrying everything that we use, but this will be the utility room, have a washer and dryer. And then right here is an access to another bathroom. So you can go straight out. Let's say you're hunting, you can come in here, undress, get out of your hunting clothes, and then you can go in straight in here and shower. When you're at home, you just turn the hot water on. When you're out in nowhere, we use this. This is by Jewel Coat. What you do is you hook up your gas to here, and there's fittings, and then you have 2 other fittings. One goes to your water source, and then one goes to the shower head. When you click on the shower head, it instantly turns this on. Click, 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 and this is hot water, and you have it within 10 seconds of hot water.
We're gonna start loading them up. We're gonna divide them out, kind of place them. We'll wait. We're just gonna take these and we'll check the measurements, and if we have room, we'll take that big one. Okay, so we're gonna put this one first. We'll put it on the front on this side, and then we'll put that one on the front that one on the front on that side, and then we'll start working back. This one will be the second one on the side of that one. Thanks for watching. Be sure and like and subscribe, whatever that means. And thank you very much.